It's difficult. Even the gums are charred, but look here. See here? No fillings. He's young, maybe 17, maybe 18.
Michael Myers is 21.
Positive ID means we check x-rays and dental records.
It'll take hours.
No other way to know for sure, I'm sorry.
We haven't got hours. Listen to me, we've got to assume that Michael Myers is still alive.
Everybody goes back out.
But we just closed it up.
I want a sweep from Chestnut south to the bypass. I want every street, every house, every backyard.
Okay. You've got it.
Thank you.
I knew Andy Brackett. Other kids, too. Now maybe there's another boy in there on that slab dead because of him. So, don't thank me, Doctor. You just help me find him and stop him.
All right.
All right, that's enough. That's enough. Now, come on, get out of here, you guys. Go home. You guys get out of here.
This is Hunt. Send another vehicle. The old Myers house, 45 Lambton Lane.
The tribe. One of their number was butchered. This is the wake. Heightens my sense of security.
Empty. Plus, we covered the whole east end of town. It's nothing. Check it again. He just is near.
Check it again. You know, Haddonfield was a pretty quiet town before tonight. The only gunshots you ever heard were start the track meet at the local high school.
And yet one night in 1963, Michael Myers did murder his sister in that upstairs bedroom with a large butcher knife.
I remember.
On Halloween.
I was 16 years old.
It's his anniversary, Mr. Hunt. He came back.
After 15 years?
He waited with extraordinary patience. There was a force inside him, biding its time. The staff grew accustomed to his immobility and silence. In many ways, he was the ideal patient. He didn't talk, he didn't cry, he didn't even move. He just waited. The staff was unprepared. They didn't know what he was.
Did you know?
Yeah, I knew.
Mr. Hunt?
Yeah, what is it, Craig?
Yeah, I'm worried about Ben Tramer.
He isn't home yet.
Yeah, and he left the party at 10.
Well, it's only a little after 11, boys.
He was real drunk.
How old is he?
17.
He had this stupid mask on.
All right, boys.
17. I'm wearing a mask.
Oh, God.
Maybe we should check his dental record.